My girlfriend is helping me out. She's the camera woman today, so don't hate. What up folks, Tate here, and today we have a sweet unboxing video together with LG Nordic, which I am actually sponsored by. You may have already, let me spin around. You may have already.
Was that cool?
Yeah, super cool. You guys may have already seen this Love to Game actual sponsored logo that I have in the background of my stream. LG sent me this. They actually made it for me. I think it's really cool. It's made out of like wood or something. So we started the partnership a couple of months ago, and I feel like a super cool king. And also, I do not want any comments on these slippers. They're really comfy. I got them from the camera woman. Where were we? I actually started the sponsorship or the ambassadorship with LG a couple of months ago, and I got this monitor that I have right here, which is a 27GP850. You can't do. She was doing that in the background. This is the 27GP850, which I got a couple of months ago, and right now it's sitting on my left screen, which I have all the information and then all the like browsing things. When you're streaming, you're doing other things. But they have sent me, wait, it's upside down. Look how strong I am. One hand, I'm kidding. It's already on the arm thingy. And now I have gotten this 27GP850 monitor from LG, which is definitely a step up. So the box, we're gonna get into the unboxing. As you can see, I already cheated. It's already up right here. This one has 1 millisecond response time, 165 hertz refresh rate, and so I also know 1 millisecond response time. It's G to G. Do you know what that means?
G to G.
Yeah.
Good to game.
That's actually pretty good. You can have that one for free, LG. No, it actually means gray to gray, which they've focused a lot about something called anti-ghosting, which basically means that when your monitor is making new frames, this one is gonna spend less time showing like some residue of the old frame. So you're gonna be even faster. So I learned something new. You can also overclock this monitor to 180 hertz, which is really, really badass. Well, it's already up there. Do you wanna come closer and take a look at it?
Wow.
Wow, it's also bonus points for the people who know the wallpaper. Are you super close to me now? Yes. But it might not be super interested since it's already up there. Should we take a look at me unboxing it when it was really hot in my apartment and absolute cable chaos? I know some of you guys have already commented about how messed up my corner here looks. Trust me, I'm on it. I want to get like a new sideboard that I actually have ordered, but it's just not arriving where I want my PCs. Everything is gonna be nice, but it is not right now. But let's take a look at the unboxing and refresh some of the specs from this monitor. Unboxing time! Unboxing time! This is so fun! Wait, how am I supposed to, how am I supposed to do this? Ow. I've been practicing my voiceover tigers or something like that, but that's not important. Let's take a look at the unboxing, and while you guys are doing that, I'll read you some cool specs that you guys might want to know. The 27GP850, it has 1 millisecond response time, and that is very, very good. And it basically means there's going to be less ghosting. Ghosting means the time in between new frames. There's going to be a less delay and less left of the old frame, like kind of sticking to it. And this is not something that you really see with your own eye, but there's something that you can do called a UFO test, which LG has sent me a video that you guys are seeing right now. You can try this at home. The link is going to be in the description if you guys want to check it out. It's actually really interesting and a concept that I hadn't really thought about that much, but LG definitely had thought about it a lot more. And I can tell that this monitor has a really fast response time. Besides the low response time, this 27GP850 also comes with a crazy refresh time at 165 hertz if you guys are into that, or you can even overclock it to a nice crisp 180 hertz. Man, it's so light. I'm not really gonna use this, but I figure I
put it in. The monitor also has DCI-P3, which is at a staggering 98%, which basically means it's gonna have better colors. Oh, what? That was so easy. Damn! Fan, alltså jag tror det brukar alltid ta sån jävla... Wow! What? Oh! Okay, this is the first time I ever did it, and that was super easy. But, I'm gonna put it on my arm. Okay, I'm gonna swap that monitor to that monitor, and screw on that thingy, and put it on that thing, and get the monitor there. Sure. This little bad boy is also VESA certified display HDR 400. And it basically means this monitor is gonna have a really crisp image quality. Of course, this monitor, it's basically given by now that LG has G-Sync. Even my TV from LG has G-Sync. It also has the AMD Sync Premium. And this makes me wanna try an AMD graphics card in the future with this monitor. Oh, and all the inputs. Do you guys like inputs? Yeah. Me too, LG too, because this one comes with DisplayPort, HDMI, and of course, USB. I don't know why, I just started sounding like a TV shop person, but it sounds really funny. And one more thing that I want to mention is the new HUD, kind of the thing where you go to change settings and everything. For my other monitor, the 27GL850, it's kind of like a normal kind of looking menu, but here it looks a little bit cooler, kind of a little bit more gaming emphasized, and I'm gonna be honest, I like that.
Oh, so we're back. Nice. We're back to real time. Since this is TV, I've already prepared a monitor in the oven. Is that even relevant now? Do they say that anymore? Probably not. One thing that I definitely want to stress is this both have G-Sync and FreeSync, but hey, my LG TV has G-Sync. So it can play like 120 hertz games from our Xbox. For the untrained eye, the 27GL850 versus the 27GP850 might not seem like that much of a difference. But for me, an absolutely gaming god, of course, I can tell a difference. Because this one, right now I have it set to 165 hertz, and this one is normally at 144. For me, I'm not a competitive player. 165 hertz is totally fine. So I just decided to stick with 165 hertz versus overclocking it to 180. But there was still a huge difference when I connected this monitor and started gaming on it. And of course, I have some really cool clips from the first week when I connected this monitor that I wanted to share with you guys. You might have seen them on my social media already, which is some really cool Warzone clips, and also probably the coolest Rocket League play I've ever done so far. So, huge thanks to LG for sponsoring me and sponsoring this video. I farted with my hands accidentally, and now let's enjoy these badass clips, and thank you so much for watching, because I was cracked out at 165 hertz. With 1 milliseconds response time, gray to gray, and a lot of other specs that you guys heard during the unboxing.
Sure.
2. On me, 3.
Doors just opened right here.
Oh my god, Dave. What the hell?
Åh, fy fan vad bra jag är. Det är helt så. Here's a car. Holy. I knocked him, yeah.
Did you guys confirm that guy on your microphone?
Knock. Knock.
Hurt.
2 guys on the right. 2 guys on the right, yeah. Oh, that was fucking dirty. Dude, I can't see him. I'm out of bullets. John fucking McClane, dude. That's my name, don't wear it out.